into the educational institution. And ours is an NIOS center, National Institute of Open Schooling, where student will have the choice of choosing science or arts in ninth itself. They will have the opportunity to do that. So many a time students will come and tell us, Akka, we don't want science, we want arts. So we will be able to discriminate like whether the child is really capable of that. If not, how to convince them, because everybody will not have the same IQ level. But at that time, they may not be able to understand. So being a teacher, being the administrator, it is our responsibility to make them understand what are they good at. So this is about NIOS, where students have ample opportunities to learn many things. Because they write their board exams in 8th, 10th, and 12th, students have sufficient time. If at all, if the child is interested in painting, we do have course for that. If the child is interested in music, fine arts, sports, we have ample opportunities for the overall development of the child. And you all know that Swami gives much importance, very much importance for the Paravidya aspects. That is about learning about scriptures, which will help us to reach our final destination. So now the academic hours or the schedule is divided into two parts, where first half of the day is for the Paravidya, that is about the academic excellence, and the other half is for the individual development of the child, where we will teach them about Vedas, Upanishads, and the messages of these Upanishads and Vedas. So we are able to experience the joy that students are having now, because Swami always says education is joy of learning. So we are able to see the joy where students are enjoying their education, and where they're able to learn many things about Swami's mission. About more than mission, it is all about their life. What is this life is all about? What is the ultimate destination? Why should we live? And what is the purpose of life? We are able to see the joy. And the one more important thing is, even the sixth child is able to understand, and even the sixth child is able to know this life is not about making merry. This life is not only about enjoying the worldly things. It is all about reaching the God and serving the God. So every day when we see the joy in their face, I really feel satisfied.